Tired of dealing with damp basements, musty smells, or sticky air? In this video, we're covering the top 5 best dehumidifiers that will keep your home fresh, dry, and comfortable all year round. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable dehumidifier for your basement, bedroom, or whole home, you're in the right place. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Vellgoo 4500 Sq.Ft Dehumidifier. This 52 pint per day dehumidifier is built for large spaces up to 4,500 square feet. It's Energy Star certified, comes with a drain hose, and features smart humidity control for basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, and garages. Customer reviews. Users love its quiet performance and how quickly it reduces humidity, especially in damp basements. Pros: covers up to 4,500 Sq.Ft. Removes up to 52 pints per day. Energy Star certified for efficiency. Smart humidity control. Includes drain hose for convenience. Number 2. VEAGASO 2500 Sq.Ft Dehumidifier. Perfect for medium to large rooms, this dehumidifier handles up to 2,500 Sq.Ft and removes 34 pints per day. It includes 3 modes, a 24-hour timer, and a drain hose for hassle-free drainage. Customer reviews. Reviewers say it's easy to use and energy efficient, with great performance for bedrooms and bathrooms. Pros: 2,500 Sq.Ft coverage. Removes up to 34 pints daily. 3 operating modes plus 24-hour timer. Intelligent humidity control. Comes with drain hose. Number 3. 2500 Sq.Ft Dehumidifier. Similar to the previous model, this dehumidifier is designed for 2,500 Sq.Ft spaces with 34 pints per day removal. It also includes 3 modes: dry clothes function, intelligent control, and 24-hour timer. Customer reviews. Buyers highlight its versatility, especially the dry clothes mode, which speeds up laundry drying indoors. Pros: 2,500 Sq.Ft coverage. 34 pints per day capacity. Dry clothes function included. Intelligent humidity control. 24-hour timer with auto shutoff. Number 4. Waykar 2000 Sq.Ft Dehumidifier. This compact unit is great for medium-sized basements and living spaces. It has a 0.66-gallon tank with both auto and manual drainage options and features simple controls for humidity adjustments. Customer reviews. Users say it's reliable and quiet, with excellent water removal for its size. Pros: covers up to 2,000 Sq.Ft. Auto or manual drainage options. 0.66-gallon water tank. Compact and quiet design. Easy to use controls. Number 5. GoveeLife 4500 Sq.Ft Dehumidifier. A true smart option, this compressor dehumidifier works for spaces up to 4,500 Sq.Ft with 5,137 pints daily capacity. It includes a 2.0-gallon bucket, drain hose, auto humidity control, and Wi-Fi app control for convenience. Customer reviews. Customers love the smart control features and say it's perfect for keeping large basements dry without constant monitoring. Pros: 4,500 Sq.Ft coverage. Removes 5,137 pints daily. Smart auto humidity control. 2.0-gallon tank plus drain hose. Wi-Fi app for remote control. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, those are the top 5 best dehumidifiers you can get right now. If you want energy efficiency and large coverage, the Vellgoo or GoveeLife are excellent choices. For medium-sized spaces, the VEAGASO or Waykar models are great options. And if you need a versatile unit with a dry clothes function, the alternative 2500 Sq.Ft model is perfect. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.